In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store, a step-by-step guide to ensure you're fully integrated and ready to make the most out of your email and SMS marketing efforts. So, let's dive right in and get started on making this connection a breeze. First, let's head to your Klaviyo dashboard. From there, you need to navigate over to Integrations. You'll find this option quite easily in your Klaviyo account. Once there, you want to look for the Explore Apps section, an incredibly handy tool that helps you connect with various platforms. We're focusing on Shopify today, so go ahead and type Shopify into the search bar. Once you spot it, click Install. Now, here comes an important step: entering your Shopify store URL. This is typically in the format of mystore.myshopify.com. Enter your specific store URL and then click Connect to Shopify. This action will smoothly redirect you to your Shopify store. Once on Shopify, you'll need to approve the necessary permissions. Grant these by clicking Install App, which will allow Klaviyo to access your store's data seamlessly. This step is crucial for ensuring that Klaviyo can effectively communicate with your Shopify store. Now back in Klaviyo, we're going to configure some integration settings to match your specific needs. Start by turning on the Sync Your Shopify Email Subscribers feature. This is especially important for those who have customers opting in for communications during checkout or sign-up. This way, you can ensure that all interested parties are added to a chosen list in Klaviyo. If you're also utilizing SMS marketing, make sure to sync your Shopify SMS subscribers as well. It can be beneficial for maintaining all your marketing communications in one organized place. Consider whether you want to sync data from Klaviyo back to Shopify. This could include profile data, custom properties, and more. This bi-directional flow of information helps maintain a comprehensive overview of your customer interactions and preferences across both platforms. Next, let's enable on-site tracking to fully leverage customer data for marketing. In the Klaviyo Shopify integration settings, locate the on-site tracking toggle. Switch this on by enabling the Klaviyo app embed within your Shopify theme settings. You'll want to navigate through Online Store, then Themes, and finally Theme Settings. Under App Embeds, toggle it on and make sure to save your changes. Finally, confirm all your settings and give it some time for Klaviyo to start syncing your Shopify customer, order, and product catalog data. Remember, you can also configure which profile fields and custom properties to sync during this process, giving you full control over the data flow. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with your Shopify store, setting the stage for a more connected and powerful marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.